put another video. Today is outside time. I know it's posted on the same day the last video was taken, but we're still waiting for people to like that. So can you go down to that other video and please like it? Thank you. Comment down below if you like outside, or if you like snow or summer or spring or winter. Okay? Come on. Today we're just gonna do some random stuff. Okay? So,
And what's it gonna be today?
I'm gonna just sled down a hill with this big thing of cardboard. Come on, mate.
No, wait, not with cardboard. We got something. Not with cardboard. We got something else.
I never know we got
Because
something
remember
else.
we bought it yesterday?
Put the camera. Oh, sorry.
Because remember we bought it yesterday?
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah, we bought it yesterday.
Look at her and all her beauty.
We actually cut it in half because that is our dog's, well, our horses drinking water. Sorry if you don't see the horses. They're probably in the woods somewhere. Do you need some help? I probably got to give him a push. Ooh, guys, while he's carrying that up, I will show y'all these beautiful flowers right here. They're so pretty. Oh, you okay? They're so pretty.
Does this count as dangerous?
No. I mean, technically, because it does have water in it.
Water's not dangerous. Unless you don't know how to swim.
Yeah, and you're so... Hold up.
So YouTube, do not...
do not try this at
Do
home.
not strike these videos if we're doing dangerous stuff, because she's new to YouTube and I don't know what the restrictions are, so
Please do not try
Please.
this at home.
don't.
All right,
don't
I'll
do
give
this
you a
at home.
push. Ready? All right, watch him take off.
Can you tell that was boring?
Yeah, that was totally boring. And
Let's
sorry.
play tag. Good.
Hey! I got a notepad in my hand.
I know, but it's still fun. You gotta point it at me.
I can't.
You have to.
Oh, we got some new Nerf guns.
No, do not.
Yeah! It'll be fun. They can buy them themselves. Oh, and that came off my
Her little Nerf gun thingamabobby.
yeah, my Nerf gun. Oh. All right, we're not gonna be playing tag because I got something in my hands that can easily break. There's Lacey doggy.
Mostly like an
All right. I will be showing you. He will be showing you.
Hey, Kai, take
Right.
the camera for a second. Thank you for the camera. This is Lacey. Meet Lacey, everybody.
There's
This is
Lacey
Lacey doggy.
doggo.
She was originally of not being taken care of correctly, and we saved her. So she's staying with us, and she's absolutely adorable. Take the camera. You can take the camera. Here's a beast. Hey, where's the dog?
There's a Lacey doggo.
Hey. Yeah.
You want to say hey to him?
Who's the good Lacey?
You want to say
You
hey?
want to say hey to the viewers? You want to say hey to the viewers?
If they're already... Oh! There's Max.
He was originally
Abused. And he's also an Oreo.
he's an Oreo. He's literally an Oreo with a gold chain on him.
Yeah. All right, let's leave
Back
him.
up to the front yard. There we go.
Sorry, the camera's not being so still because we are running right now. All right.
And it is not easy to keep focus when you're running.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Sorry for the slight interruption.
Yeah. All that.
So
Oh, look at that purple flower. Oh, I gotta show him this.
she will now show you something
He don't
that
know what.
is probably amazing. I don't know what it is yet, but let's just go because I'm ready for this.
Oh,
I guess.
there's the dangerous tree.
Yeah, there's a tree.
Or a stump. What's the tree? Look at the beautiful dandelion.
Oh, the food.
The beautiful
You
dandelion.
should have got that on camera.
I didn't.
Here's a dandelion. As you can see, it must be the last one of the season. Cut the camera.
Huh?
Cut the camera.